Hey,
Hey, what?
weird thought. If Ranma-kun and Ranma-chan have sex with each other, would it be incest or masturbation?
What the fuck? Where the hell did it come from? And isn't female Ranma called Renko?
Renko is just his cover name when his mother is around, so he does not have to commit seppuku. But, get back to the subject, a bunch of fan art on DeviantArt was of Ranma-kun and Chan as lovers and it struck me, what would be called?
That is just gross.
Just hear me out. Ranma-kun and Ranma-chan or Renko, if you prefer, are the same person and the original Greek meaning of masturbation is self-love. Would it go that they are loving themselves?
Maybe, but still gross.
But, then again, they could be twins, because identical and some fraternal twins made the egg splits into two separate individuals. Renko who have to split form Ranma for that to happen.
True, but the point of is this stupid raint.
This not a raint. But then again Renko could be his daughter, because Ranma came first, and was a teenager, when Renko came out. Either way it would be incest.
This stupid and gross. You are a hentai.
I did not make the art. I wonder if that ever crossed these artists' mind when that made them.
Most likely not.